Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. I am going to test out a new knife sharpener today. You know why? My knives are awesome, but you know, when you use them all the time, that ain't doing nothing. It gets dull. What I also noticed here is my price, which was $159 at Bed Bath & Beyond. But if you go online, you go to Amazon, it's way cheaper. It's like $120 something. It's like no brainer. But I wanted one now. I needed it today. Let's see how this thing works. Warning, knife sharpened on Chef's Choice will be sharper than you expect, and I can't wait. Blah, 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 blah. Unplug from the outlet when not in use, of course. Don't leave this thing plugged in all the time. Duh. Avoid contacting moving parts. Hey, that's a good idea. Designed to sharpen American, European, and Asian style knives. Do not attempt to sharpen scissors, axe blades, or any blade that does not fit freely in the slots. Basically what it says, don't be an idiot, just sharpen your knife. It's got a 3-step process, it looks like. 1, 2, 3, back and forth on each one. Okay, anyway, read the instructions, go through it, and then let's get cranking on this deal, all right? So it's saying go 20 times, alternating each side. So I'm gonna alternate, I'm gonna start from here. And I'm gonna go from there. Now we'll do the 3 pulls on number 2. Okay, 3 pulls. Let's do a couple pulls here. Oh, this is the honing part. And it says to do a couple fast ones in number 1. Do it twice really fast. It's capturing it. It wasn't doing that before, I can tell you that. Let's try a lemon first. It should just go sliding right through, yep. Boom. Let's try the tomato. Okay, let's go slicey slice. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, avocado. I'll rip right through that. Boom. No problem, piece of cake. So pretty stoked, I think I got myself a new tool for the house. Make sure you buy it on Amazon because it's a lot cheaper. It's like 30 bucks cheaper than going to a store. Give it a shot, give it a try. Let me know what you use. I'd love to hear what type of sharpener you use or what you got going on, so let me know. And I'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.